Hey there, dreamy souls, and welcome back to Dreamy Calm Meditations, the place where we take your frazzled, overstimulated, I have too many tabs open in my brain self and gently escort you into a calmer dimension. Today we're going on a guided visualization, a slow, peaceful, slightly magical, tranquil forest walk. This is your permission slip to step out of the noise of the day and into a world where nothing is urgent, nothing is required of you, and the trees are way more supportive than most people you've emailed this week. So get comfortable, sit, lie down, lean against something soft or something soft-ish if you're improvising. Let your body settle. Let your breath soften. Let your mind know it's allowed to wander somewhere beautiful for a while. Let's begin. Take a slow breath in through your nose and let it fall out of your mouth. No need to force anything. No need to do it right. Just breathe like someone who's finally getting a moment to themselves. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your shoulders drop a little. Feel your jaw loosen. Feel your stomach soften. Yes, that thing you've been clenching since breakfast. Let your breath become a gentle rhythm, like waves brushing the shore, or a cat purring on your lap. With each inhale, imagine you're drawing in calm. With each exhale, imagine you're releasing the leftover nonsense of the day, the awkward conversations, the to-do lists, the mental clutter, the "why did I say that" moments. Let it all drift away. You don't need it here. Now imagine a soft, warm light around you. Not the harsh overhead lighting of a supermarket, but a gentle glow, like candlelight, or the sun filtered through leaves. This light is your doorway into the forest. And with your next breath, you step through. You find yourself standing at the edge of a forest, a place that feels ancient, peaceful, and somehow familiar. Like you've been here in dreams or in the quiet corners of your imagination. The air is cool, but comfortable, with that perfect fresh after rain smell that makes you want to inhale deeply and pretend you're in a nature documentary. Take a breath in. Feel the crispness of the air. Feel how clean it is, like it's been filtered through 1,000 leaves just for you. In front of you is a narrow path, soft with moss and fallen leaves. It winds gently into the trees, inviting you in with the subtle confidence of a place that knows it has nothing to prove. You take your first step. The ground is soft beneath your feet, springy, quiet, comforting. Each step feels like the forest is absorbing your weight, your worries, your tension. The trees around you are tall and old, their trunks thick and textured, their branches stretching high above like a natural cathedral. Sunlight filters through the canopy in golden beams, creating shifting patterns on the forest floor. You walk slowly, unhurried. There's no schedule here, no deadlines, no notifications. Just you and the forest, moving at the pace of peace. As you walk, Notice the sounds around you. The soft rustle of leaves as a breeze moves through the branches. The distant call of a bird. Not the chaotic screech of a city pigeon, but something melodic, gentle, almost curious. The faint trickle of water somewhere deeper in the forest. Every sound feels intentional, like the forest is composing a soundtrack just for you. Now notice the smells. Earthy, fresh, grounding. The scent of pine, the sweetness of damp soil, the faint aroma of wildflowers hidden somewhere nearby. Let these scents wrap around you, soothing your mind, relaxing your body. As you continue walking, you reach out and gently brush your fingers along the bark of a tree. It's rough, textured, solid. A reminder that you're supported, grounded, held. You look up and see the canopy swaying gently, leaves shimmering in the sunlight like tiny green lanterns. A soft breeze brushes your skin, cool, refreshing, almost playful, like the forest is saying, "Hey, you're doing great. Keep going." You take another slow breath. And another. And with each breath, you feel yourself sinking deeper into calm. After a few minutes of walking, the path opens into a small clearing. A perfect circle of sunlight surrounded by tall trees. The grass here is soft and bright, like nature's version of a plush carpet. In the center of the clearing is a smooth, flat stone, warm from the sun, inviting you to sit. You walk over and settle onto the stone. It supports you perfectly, like it was shaped just for you. The sunlight warms your skin. The breeze cools your face. The forest hums quietly around you. You close your eyes or soften your gaze and let yourself simply be. No effort, no expectations, just presence. Feel the warmth of the sun soaking into your body, melting tension from your shoulders, your neck, your back. Feel the ground beneath you holding you up, steady and strong. Feel the air moving gently around you, carrying away the last bits of stress clinging to your mind. You are safe here. You're welcome here. You are allowed to rest. Now imagine roots growing gently from your body, not in a weird sci-fi way, but in a grounding, comforting way. These roots extend downward into the earth, weaving through soil and stone, connecting you to the deep, ancient calm of the forest. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more anchored, more steady, more peaceful. Inhale, calm. Exhale, release. Let your thoughts drift like leaves on a stream. You don't need to chase them. You don't need to analyze them. You can just watch them float by. If a thought tries to grab your attention, a worry, a memory, a to-do list item, imagine placing it gently on a leaf and letting the stream carry it away. You don't need it right now. You can pick it up later if you want to. But for now, let it drift. Feel your muscles softening, your breath slowing, your mind quieting. You are sinking into a deep, effortless relaxation, the kind that feels like your whole body is exhaling. As you rest on the warm stone, you notice something glowing softly in the grass nearby. A small orb of light, warm and golden, like a tiny sun. It floats gently toward you, hovering at chest level. This light is the forest's gift, a symbol of calm, clarity, and renewal. You reach out and let it settle into your hands. It's warm, comforting, almost alive. As you hold it, the light expands, filling your chest, your arms, your legs, your mind. It washes through you like a wave of peace, dissolving any remaining tension, any lingering stress, any emotional leftovers from the day. You feel lighter, clearer, more yourself. The light settles into your heart, glowing softly, a reminder that you can return to this calm anytime you need to. When you're ready, you stand up from the stone and take one last look around the clearing. The sunlight, the trees, the soft grass, the gentle breeze. You take a slow breath in, letting the forest fill your lungs one more time. And as you exhale, you feel gratitude for the stillness, the beauty, the peace. You begin walking back along the path, moving slowly, unhurried. The forest feels even more welcoming now, like it's walking with you, guiding you gently back to your day. With each step, you bring a little of the forest's calm with you, a little of its steadiness, a little of its quiet magic. The trees thin, the light shifts, and you find yourself back at the edge of the forest, standing before the soft glow that brought you here. You step through the light and return to your body. Feel the surface beneath you, the chair, the bed, the floor. Feel the weight of your body. Feel your breath moving gently in and out. Wiggle your fingers. Roll your shoulders. Let your awareness settle back into the room around you. You are calm. You are grounded. You are relaxed in that deep, delicious way that feels like your whole nervous system just sighed. Thank you for taking this walk with me. If this guided visualization helped you unwind, melt, or temporarily forget the existence of email, I'd love for you to support the channel. Like the video, share it with someone who needs a break, subscribe so you don't miss future meditations, and drop a comment. Tell me what kind of journey you want next. Mountains, oceans, magical realms, you name it. This is Dreamy Calm Meditations. Take this calm with you. You deserve it.